Feeding na ang baby niya, mama. Hello everyone. Good morning. Open mami box. Feeding na ang baby. Feeding na. Feeding na ang baby. Siya, 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 siya. Every morning that guy, one breastfeeding. Morning, night. Before you sleep, breastfeeding too. You people, you can ask me, you still breastfeeding my daughter? Yes, still breastfeeding. And then I have you ask me, I have milk. Yes, I have milk. I have